So here we are, a year since the lockdown was imposed, and who would have imagined these numbers? Can you think of it a year ago that we would have imagined that even after 365 days of the lockdown, we would have such spike in numbers and such a steep spike in numbers, and not just a number of cases but deaths as well. So the thing on everybody's mind is, why is this happening? And the fact is that nobody has been able to put a finger on the exact reason why. We're only learning more and more about the virus as we go around this journey. And one thing that has caught the attention of scientists of late has been the different strains. Remember the UK strain that we talked about, the super spreader one, then there was a South Africa strain, then there a Brazil strain, and now more and more scientists are talking about what is called a double mutation strain, something that is formed in the country and now increasingly becoming a matter of concern. So what exactly is double mutation? How should it impact your life? Will it work against the vaccines? All of that is what we will talk about today. So to understand this really, and it's a complicated subject, I actually spoke to somebody who has discovered this strain in the country. So we spoke with the director of Center for Cellular and Microbiology in Hyderabad, Dr. Rakesh Mishra. Now, this is one of the labs which is doing genome sequencing, basically understanding what is the fingerprint of a particular strain, how will it react, etc. So I spoke with him and tried to understand what exactly is double mutation and how is it likely to impact our lives and the COVID story in the country, at least moving forward. Okay, so simply put, COVID mutation or a double mutation, for example, is basically two mutations or two variants of the virus coming together to form a new variant. So mutations in viruses keep happening, all right? To give you a very basic understanding on this, the fight between viruses and bacteria against the human immune system has been going on for ages. Viruses and bacteria have been in this world for far too long than the human race even came in, and we've been fighting this constant battle. And every now and then, whenever the virus seems to be losing it, it forms a new mutation, and then it is up to our bodies again to develop an immune system against this new mutation. So far we knew that there was an India strain, there was a UK strain in the country, the figures are out for that as well, maximum of them actually found in Punjab, which is leading to a lot of deaths. Then there is a Brazil mutant, just one case of that has been found in the country so far, and then the South Africa mutation as well. And now something called a double mutation. This double mutation, I told you, is two variants getting together or mixing together to form a third one. Now, who are these two variants that have come together? The first mutation is called L452R. You don't need to remember that. Just remember that this is what is the state of the virus or the strain that is found in California, USA. And the other strain is the India strain only. So these two strains got together and created this third strain, and that's why it's called double mutation. The thing immediately to answer and perhaps ask at this point is, what is it? Is it spreading more? Is it more deadly? To this, the experts are telling me at this point that this new strain, the double mutation strain, is efficient, meaning it is capable. But at this point, they do not have any data so far to suggest that it is spreading at a super rate or even data to suggest that it is causing more deaths. But again, they have underlined the fact that this is a time in the country where we need more investigation into these different strains that are happening, finding out their patterns, finding out their behaviors, and then adapting thus our behavior in the same way as well to fight out this virus. The second question here is, then where is it prevalent? Which areas are populated with it? Well, at least 20% of this double mutation is actually only in Maharashtra. There is several other places like Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu where it is found as well, but maximum in Maharashtra. In fact, it was discovered the first time in Nagpur in December of last year. Since then, they've been tracking it. Now finally they can say that this is a cause of concern, not panic, but concern. I then asked the doctors about what about the vaccines? Will the vaccines work against this mutation, the new double mutation? To which they say again that so far there is no reason to believe that the two vaccines available in India, that is the Oxford AstraZeneca Covishield and the Bharat Biotech Covaxin, both will work so far. But they also add the fact that the time has come that India opens up its doors to the other formulas or the other vaccines like Pfizer, like Moderna. Remember, even this mutation is a combination of what's happening in other countries. And these vaccines that I talked about, Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, Sputnik as well, all of them are known to keep resistance and keep antibodies against them. So this is time and a good time to bring it to the country to ensure that further spread doesn't happen. Second, they are saying it is also a cause of concern not just in metros. That was another takeaway from my conversation with the director of that institute, where he said that it's not just happening, and this spread is not just happening in metros as we've seen as a trend so far. It is also moving to smaller cities. And because so far the virus had not been seen, or the spread had not been seen in smaller cities, it'll become really bad once it goes to the smaller cities. Remember, there are districts in Maharashtra where we're talking about where complete lockdown is happening, like Beed, for example, where a complete lockdown is taking place. In other places in Maharashtra as well, lockdown is taking place because it's become so bad. Gujarat, they said, is a major state which is of concern. In order of states which are of concern at this point, where this mutation is actually taking place, Maharashtra is number 1, then is Punjab, then is Gujarat at number 3, number 4 is Madhya Pradesh, number 5 is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, and also Chandigarh. So all these things are being talked about right now. And also, perhaps the thing on everybody's mind is, what should we do? Should we wait for these new vaccines? What is to be done, etc.? Well, the thing here to note is that you have to get the vaccine as soon as possible. Till the time we don't have clarity over how soon we can get these foreign formulas or Western formulas as they're called in the country. We don't know how that's going, how long it will take. So take the vaccine that is available to you at the moment and ensure that you have immunity against these. So the double mutation is simply like that, two of the sort of strains getting together to form a third one. And that, as of now, not a reason to panic, but a cause of concern. So keep your distance, keep your mask on, and ensure that you get your vaccine when your turn comes. That's it from today. Catch you again later. Bye-bye.